Good afternoon. This is week 5. Now, week 4, we introduced the verb to be am, is, are. I showed you the table. Okay. Now, when we did the lesson last week, I asked you to pause on the table, okay, and to look at it and try and remember. Now, everyone should have a sheet, a worksheet like this, okay? Now, today, I want you to fill in the worksheet, okay? So, we said last week that affirmative means positive, okay? Now, when we use the verb to be, the verb to be is am, is, are. When we use it in present simple, it must be followed by a verb, a noun, or an adjective. It cannot be followed by a verb. Okay? So I cannot say, I am a run. Okay? I am not a run. I am a teacher. Okay? So this is a binder. We are students. I'll use one now using an adjective. I am tall. You are short. She is smart. He is thin. She is fat. They are good. We are excellent. Now, when we use you and I, that one person, I, we use am. Okay? He, she, it, or one name, we use is. We, you, they, we use are. Okay? So, affirmative means positive. Okay? So it's a positive sentence. I am a teacher. You are a student. They are good. Okay? Now, we use I am, you are, we are, they are, he is, she is, it is. Sorry. One name is. So, if we had one name, good guy. Good guy is smart. Okay, and again, if we're using the short form, which we call contractions, all we do is we take out the vowel and we add an apostrophe. You see? Vowel, take it out, add an apostrophe. Now, we would do that when we are writing informal. Okay? Negative. All we do is add not. I am not a student. You are not a teacher. We are not buffaloes. They are not smart. He is not happy. She is not a boy. It is not a human being. Because remember, we cannot use it with human beings, yeah? We use it with things, okay? Okay, interrogative just basically means question, okay? Now, as I explained last week, if we look here, the question is, am I, okay? So let's say the question is, am I correct? Okay? I am correct. So is we switch the verb to be to the front. So it's the first word of the question, and the subject would be the second. The subject in this case is I. So it would be am I a teacher? I am a teacher. I am not a student. Okay, so look at the table, okay? Again, you should have done it last week, okay? Because this is very, very important when we're using the tenses. The verb to be is very, very important when we are studying English language, okay? Now, so what I want you to do is to write the verb to be and change to short form. Short form is contraction, okay? So all we're going to do is like this. So I'll give you number 1, okay? Write the verb to be and change to short form, okay? So, I am, okay? So you're going to write I am. And then short form here, you're just going to write I, apostrophe at the top, M. Now make sure the apostrophe is at the top, not like a comma at the bottom, okay, or it will be incorrect. Okay, now, stop. Write in the correct verb to be. Now we said if we have one name, what do we use? Am, is, or are for one name. If you said is, then that's correct. Well done. So, Cindy is my best friend. That's number 1. Number 2, two names, okay? When it's two names, we use are. Peter and Kate are. A-R-E-R. Classmates. Full stop. Okay, now this is one name. Blank, my brother. Okay? You. What do we use with you? Am, is, or are. Okay? I want you to fill this in. Try not to look at the table above. Okay? But if you have to, then look above. Okay? And you'll find the answers. Now, this one here says, rearrange that sentence. Sentence. Okay, it should be sentences because there's more than one, okay? But that's fine. Okay, so if we look at this, it says, I'm not a teacher. I slash not slash a teacher slash am. Okay, so we know we are going to write I, subject, then verb to be, am not a teacher. Full stop. Very important when we write our sentence that we have. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Or if it's a question, ends with a question mark. But you must have a full stop, okay? So, let's look at number 8. The dog slash in the kennel, full stop, slash is. Okay? So I want you to rearrange the sentences number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? There's 10 sentences here. Okay? So I want you to fill them in using, rearrange the sentence, okay? Using the clues given. Remember, capital letter and full stop, okay? Okay, now, look. up to number 12, stop. First of all, we must look at the instructions. It says, look at the pictures and answer the question. Number 1. Okay, so we look at number 1. Okay. Now, number 1, we know he is an American football player. Yes? So he is not a teacher. So all we do is we write no, comma, he is not, full stop. Okay? Now, I'm going to help you with number 2, and then I want you to go through from number 3 through to number 12. Okay? Okay, so number 2 is it an elephant? Okay? Now you look at it. Yes. Remember, capital letter on the first word of the sentence. So capital Y. Yes, comma. It is an elephant. An elephant. Okay? Now, if we Now, if you can complete all of this, then I will correct it and I will see you on the next week. I will talk to you more. Okay, goodbye for now. Bye bye.